Hi from Los Angeles. It's week number 3 of General Chemistry 2, and today we're going to make a soda vinegar rocket, and hopefully not make a gigantic mess. So we're going to attempt to trap gas in a plastic bottle, which I have one right here, and watch pressure build, and hopefully we'll get the reaction that we're looking for. We know that baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, as I have here, and vinegar, which I have right here, react to neutralize each other, which can release carbon dioxide. And the carbon dioxide gas builds up, or should build up, inside our plastic bottle here. And when the pressure of the gas in the bottle is high enough, it should force the cork, which is right here, out of the bottle, or at least that's what we're going to attempt today. The downward force of the cork being forced out of the bottle should create an upward thrust force, which should make the bottle shoot up into the air, which upon doing some research, I realized that this is also a great example of Newton's third law. Newton's third law is basically every action or force in nature, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In other words, if object A, or object A is our vinegar as we have here, exerts a force on object B, which would be our sodium bicarbonate here, then object B also exerts an equal and opposite force on object A. So this experiment, we've got a couple of different things to make this possible. So first we have our empty plastic bottle right here, our vinegar right here, our baking soda right here, and I also have a funnel to sort of help put our concoction together. So I also have 3 straws right here, so we're going to attempt to make a base stand for this. So let's do our base. Let's sort of angle this camera down. So I'm going to tape these straws onto the bottle and try to make it as even as possible here. So we can do this. See how this works out. I've got high hopes. Let's do a couple at a time here. So take that right there, and that's about even. Take that right there, and then get one more piece of tape here, and we'll tape this right here to hold our funnel into place, and this should be about even. Pardon my puppy, Dr. Bailey, in the background. She wants to participate. Okay, so we will, let's try our funnel in here and see if it, that'll work pretty well, yeah. So first we will take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and place it in the middle of a paper towel. So hang on, so we're gonna get our 1 tablespoon of baking soda, that's about 1 tablespoon. So we're going to place this in the middle of a paper towel, which I have here, and we'll do that. All right, let's angle this down so we can see. We'll roll the paper towel together to keep this baking soda all in one place, and this is going to be the fuel for our rocket. Perfect. So there we have it right there. So next we're going to fill our bottle here about 3/4 of the way with our vinegar right here. Actually, let's use this funnel to not make a gigantic mess. I'm actually not quite sure I have enough vinegar, but we're going to make sure that this does as well as we can here. Alright, so that's the amount of vinegar I've got. So we're going to, hopefully that will work for our project. We're about half full, so it should theoretically still work. So Now that the vinegar is in, what we would do is add our rocket fuel to the bottle and quickly add a cork to keep the mixture inside. It's important that the cork is tight so the gas cannot escape until we want to. And next we're going to shake up our solution and we'll see what happens, but we're going to take this project outside. Okay, we're going to try our experiment here. So here is the rocket fuel and we will shove it down here into... maybe I tied this too tight. There it goes. Okay. There it goes. Shake it up. That was disastrous. That did not go as planned. Well, almost worked. All right. See you next week.